Welcome back to the webinar tutorial series, bringing you everything you need for great webinars. Today, you'll see some elements in the presenter console to take into account during your presentation. The presenter console can be accessed in one of two ways. Once you've entered the presenter console, you'll see a pop-up on the screen. Choose Computer on the upper right-hand side, and then Camera. This will allow you to share your microphone and camera, and will also allow you to see other presenters' cameras as well. The phone option will provide you with call-in numbers you can use as an additional way to access the webinar. Once logged in, you'll see a box at the top right corner with 5 options: Turn off picture, mute audio, presenter list, device settings, and hang up. Here you can see the audio and camera controls, and from here you can also mute your microphone or camera when necessary. If you see the lines moving while you're talking, it means that your audio is working and is being captured by the platform. With the View Presenter option, you can monitor the connection of every presenter. The small green circle indicates that the presenter is correctly connected, but if the circle is hollow, that means that a presenter is not fully connected. If the circle is red, this means that the presenter is properly connected and that his audio is currently active. You will also be able to see who's in control of the presentation. Just outside the box, there's the option to start. This will change to either record, initiate live Q&A, or end, which will be in red, depending on the type of webinar you are hosting. In the left corner, you will find the title of your webinar and when it's scheduled to start. Next to this, you will see the option to take control of the webinar or a notification that you are already in control of it. If there are several presenters, only the one who is in control can advance the slides that the audience is currently seeing. The other presenters will be able to move through the presentation, but those changes will not be shown to the audience. Next are the different elements of the console, or the main area in the middle of your screen. You can adjust the elements in the console depending on your needs. In the menu on the left are the components of your presentation. Some are there by default, and others were enabled by you when you built the webinar. In the first option, Profile, you will see your information. In the Slide Organizer component, you can reorganize your content if need be. In Content, you will be able to see and add the files that are in your presentation, such as PowerPoint slides or the videos that you plan to use. Here you can also add polls to monitor the participation of your audience. In Presentation, you will manage your slides and videos. You only need to use the Next or the Previous button as you advance or go back in your presentation. You can jump slides if the need arises, but if you do, remember to press the Push to Audience button to make sure they see what you see. The presenter chat is an element that we recommend you always have open. It will enable you to be in contact with other presenters during the webinar. This chat will only be seen by the presenters, not the audience. In this chat, there will also be a person from the webinar.net tech support team to attend to any concerns you may have. In the Attendee component, you can monitor the attendance of your audience. You can see who they are by searching for them by name or by company. Finally, there is the Help option that will lead you directly to our support page. For more information on these and other component options, check out our component video. Once you have uploaded your presentation, it's time to double-check everything before the webinar begins. Make sure that the name and date are correct on the console, and if you need to add something or change anything, this is the time. Make sure that the interface of your presentation is as you want and with the component that you need. Now you are ready to go live. When the time comes, all you need to do is press Start and you will be live with your audience. Remember, this may change depending on your webinar type. That's it for today. Now you're ready for an amazing webinar. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one in the webinar.net video tutorial series.